Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's a walk Wednesday. Like I need a special day to use my walk. Last night I prepared Shanghai fried noodles. This is a nice little stir fry. Simple, not a lot of ingredients, but it was really good. I didn't do any modifications to this particular recipe, but I will share this recipe up in the group. Yes, today, it is a Wok Wednesday. I'm doing beef and spinach stir-fry. Again, this is another simple and elegant. I don't know about elegant. I'll let you know later. But let's take a look. Yes, the champion is out. The champion is doing very well. In the back, I have a microwave-safe baking dish for the rice. Today, I'm actually using elk. My elk supply is almost at 0. So I'm enjoying it while I have it. So using elk instead of beef. Oil for the wok. Onion. Garlic. Some celery. Chili peppers, which I will thinly slice. And for the sauce, there's not a lot of sauce in this, volume-wise. It's, good old soy sauce. I actually use what they call a light soy sauce, which does not mean like a low sodium. This is it's actually considered like what we Americans would say is a normal soy sauce. So I'm using light soy sauce. Sesame oil, some ginger, some cornstarch, and good old baby spinach. I love working with baby spinach. I love watching it disappear when it gets hot. And of course, tonight I'm going to actually be using long grain white rice. I used jasmine the other day, but today I'm going to do long grain. So that's the fixings for tonight's dinner. Prep will be quick. Kind of an announcement. I have worked hard and diligently on Soup Symphony, my next cookbook. I have a rough draft. I'm calling it the first rough draft. There's not a lot of formatting and such. But I'm looking for proofreaders. I think I've done a pretty good job going through the recipes and, changing, the word tablespoon to TBSP and, and stuff like that. But I'm looking for proofreaders. And if you're interested in writing the foreword to this cookbook, please let me know. I'm looking for somebody who knows me or thinks they know me. But obviously the Soup Symphony, it's about soup. Now I have to admit, there's one recipe in this book that's technically, I don't think is a soup or a stew, but I added it anyway. Because I think it's a great recipe to have in your library of recipes. So yes, on this Wok Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.